science class. Meow.
Hello everybody, welcome to science class. Today's topic is entitled pollination. Okay, you can open your book to page 53. Okay, 53. Okay, but before I will discuss to you this topic. Let's learn first the vocabulary of this topic. So, and make sure that you have to write this in your notebook and write the Thai translations of each word so that you can understand the words that I will be using in this topic. Number 1, complete, complete. 2, incomplete, incomplete. 3, part, part. 4, missing, missing. 5, perfect, perfect. 6, imperfect, imperfect. 7, pollination, pollination. 8, pollen, pollen. 9, fertilization, fertilization or fertilization. 10, cross pollination, cross pollination. 11, fall, fall. 12, across, across. 13, another, another. 14, the same plant, the same plant. Okay, so after you write this, you are going to read these vocabularies and send your video to my line. Okay, so in your book we have in page 53. Last time we talked about parts of the plants, parts of the flower, or the structures of the flowers, and today we will talk about the pollinations. Okay, so you can open your book to page 53. Okay, so this is called complete parts. If the flower have pistils, stamen, okay, sepals, we have the sepals, okay, and we have also petal. We have petals, okay, this is petals here. Okay, one more time. If the flower, you can say that the flower is complete if the flower have 4 parts. Number 1, we have sepals, okay, sepals, and we have also petals. This is petals here, and we have stamen. Okay, stamen is composed of anther and filament, and we have pistils. Pistils is composed of stigma. We have the stigma, we have the style, we have the ovary. Okay, that is pistil. The pistil is the female part of a flower, and the stamen is the male part of a flower. So you can say that the flower is complete if they have 4 parts. If there is no pistil, it means the flower is incomplete. Okay, for example, this flower, Chinese rose, is complete because this Chinese rose, they have petal. Okay, they have petal, they have sepal, petal, and they have also, okay, it has stamen. Okay, this is stamen. This part, we have also the pistils. Okay, this is the pistils here, and we have also the petals. Okay, this is the petals and the sepals here. Okay, you can see the sepals. We cannot see, but in the picture, but you can see that if you have seen this flower, you can see the sepals under the petals of this flower. Okay, he has 4 parts. Okay, has 4 parts. It has 4 parts. We have sepals, petals, stamen, and pistils. Right, another one here is we have rose. Okay, this is a rose, and okay, we have complete flower. We have also eggplant flower. Okay, this is eggplant flower. Eggplant flower has 4 parts. There, it has sepals. Okay, in here, over here, and it has also pistils over there inside, and it has also a petals. Okay, this is the petals of an eggplant flower, and also a stamen. This is the stamen. So the eggplant flower has 4 parts, so it means complete flower. Okay, the other one here we have incomplete flower. It means if there is no sepals, even 1 part, even if the flower missed or missing, if missed 1 part, it means the flower is incomplete. Okay, so it's missing 1 or more parts. Okay, missing or one or more parts. Example is papaya flower. Papaya flower has no pistil. Where is the pistil? This one. The pistil is the female part of a flower. They have only a stamen. Okay, stamen is the male part of a flower, but the papaya flower has no pistil, so it is called incomplete flower. Papaya flower have stamen, have petal, have sepals. Okay, but there is no pistils. Okay, no pistil, so it's called incomplete flower. Okay, we have also pumpkin flower. This is incomplete flower. Okay, no stamen. Okay, incomplete flower. Pumpkin flower has no stamen. The stamen is the male part of a flower. Okay, this is the stamen. Okay, so it has sepals. Okay, it has petals. Okay, petals here. It has pistils. This is the pistils, but there is no stamen, so it is incomplete flower. Okay, so we have perfect flower. Perfect flower, it means have stamen and pistils. Okay, have stamen and pistils. Like for example, this Chinese rose have stamen and pistils, have male part of a flower and female part of a flower, so it means perfect flower. What about imperfect flower? Have only 1 part, either stamen or pistil. For example, pumpkin flower has no stamen, so this flower is imperfect flower. Okay, so we'll go now to pollination. Pollination is when stamen higher than the pistil. Okay, this is the stamen, and this is the pistil of the flower. The pistil of the flower is the female part of the flower, and the stamen is the male part of a flower. So the pollen is able to fall down onto the top of the pistil in the same flower. Okay, that is pollination. When the pollen, there is a pollen grain here, and it would goes to the pistil. Okay, next one here is we have cross pollination. When pollen falls on top of the pistils of another flower on the same plant. For example, this is a Chinese rose. Example, Chinese rose from Anuban Otompon Pisay in our school, and also there is a Chinese rose in Otompon Pisay Hospital. Okay, flower number 1, and the pollen of this flower will go on the wings of the butterfly, and the butterfly will fly to flower number 2, and the pollen grain will go inside the pistils. That is called cross-pollination. Okay, when pollen falls on top of the pistil of another flower, okay, of another flower of on the same plant, but another flower, another place, or okay, on the same plant. So that is a cross-pollination. We have also factors causing the plant pollination. Okay, factors causing the plant pollination. We have human. Okay, when you go to the mountain, there are small seeds that would goes to your jacket. Okay, and also human can help pollinate the plants. You can help pollinate the plants when you go to another place also, that your plant, the plant that the seeds in your jacket have the same seeds that you go through another place, so that seeds can also be can go inside. If that seeds will go inside to the pistil of the same plant of the flower, that is factors that cause the factors causing a human pollination can help the plants, can help pollinate the plants. Okay, another one here is the wind. We have also wind. When this wind blow, okay, when the wind blow, and the seeds will flew to other parts of the or other place, and when the seeds land to other place on the same flower, it can also pollinate. Okay, plant, the same plant, not different plant. Water, okay, water also can help. Also, it's a way of transferring pollen from one flower to another. Okay, and helps also. Water, the seeds will goes through the water, and also if there is another plant that can pollen can enter into the pistil, it can also pollinate to that plant. Okay, help transfer pollen from one flower to another is also animals. Okay, animals like butterfly, okay, and insects. Okay, conclusions. Factors that cause pollination of plants are wind, animals, water, and human. You have that in your book. You can see that in your book, page 56. The factors, page 56, number 4. Factors that cause pollinations are, we have wind, okay? We have wind, we have animals, we have water, and human. Okay, so that's the end of our topic. Okay, your topic activity number 2 is send your answer here. Okay, your activity number 2 is you have to answer page 53 and 56. Okay, page 53 and 56 of your book, and after that you send your answer to my line. Thank you so much for listening.